Welcome to a journey into the mind, where we explore the timeless wisdom of Stoicism.
The first principle: recognize that everything in life is fleeting, impermanent.
Build your inner citadel, a fortress of the mind that external events cannot breach. Focus your energy on what you can control: your thoughts, your actions, your judgments.
Understand that virtue, wisdom, justice, courage, temperance, naphamnem, is the only true good.
Practice negative visualization. Imagine losing what you hold dear, to appreciate it fully.
Accept what fate brings with equanimity, for resistance only brings suffering.
Take the view from above. See your troubles in the grand tapestry of existence. Remember, the obstacle itself is the way forward, an opportunity to strengthen your character. The past is history, the future a mystery. Live fully in the present moment. Embrace Amor Fati. Love whatever happens, as if you chose it yourself. Understand that external things, wealth, status, even health, are indifferent. They hold no intrinsic moral value.
Fulfill your duties with diligence. Your role in society is a vital part of your purpose.
Communicate truthfully and kindly, for words have great power to shape reality. Prioritize the pursuit of wisdom. It is the foundation upon which all other virtues are built.
Govern your desires. Unchecked longing is a path to perpetual discontent.
It is not events that disturb us, but our judgments about them. Change your perception, change your reality. Live in accordance with nature, embracing the rational order of the cosmos.
Accept death as a natural conclusion, a part of life's grand cycle.
By embracing these Stoic principles, you can cultivate an unshakable peace, unaffected by the storms of life.